Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first we need to put our hair in a bun. That's what I did. Okay, so here I'm taking my primer and put that on my face just like that. Now, the best part is correcting your face, cause honey, lately I have been breaking out a lot, so I need that thing. So I'm just gonna take my color correcting thingy majingy and put it on my face. Now I'm going to take my flat brush. That's what I call it. So now I'm just gonna tap this and spread it away. You have seen this technique in all my videos so far. So now after you correct your face and stuff, the best thing in the world, it's a Maybelline Translucent powder. It's my go-to favorite powder. And yeah. After we set our face, I'm not gonna use foundation, but I'm gonna use concealer to conceal and get that foundation look. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Tarte Shaptape concealer in the shade light medium sand. It's 27S. I'll just give that highlight kind of look on my face. So I'm using e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's in a matte finish, and I tried this before like twice, and I'm loving it so far. So we're gonna mix this together today. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tip Concealer. I'm gonna put this under my eyes just like that, and then cover all my discoloration on my face and all that jazz, but what we do. And I was gonna tell you that this concealer is like close to my skin tone, so it's like good to use as a base. I don't know, but I use it as a base most of the times, and it works wonders. So if you have like one concealer matches to your skin tone, honey, you're good to go. You don't even need a foundation that much. I mean, if you want to use foundation, go ahead and use it, but you don't need it. That's all I want to say. Anyways, now I'm gonna take that e.l.f. concealer and I'm gonna dot that on my face. So I wanted to highlight high point of my cheek, which is here, so I'm gonna put it there just like that. A little bit on my nose, on my chin, where just like over there, and a little bit on my forehead. And that's all I wanted to highlight, so that's what I'm gonna do. And today I'm gonna use my brush to give that full coverage look, cause it's a festive season and you know most of the people like a full coverage. So we're gonna use the brush. If you want to use a beauty blender, you can go ahead and use it. It will give you such a I would say like a medium coverage kind of finish. But if you want a little bit more coverage, then use the flat foundation brush. This is from PUR Cosmetics. And yeah, so you just have to tap it on your face and blend everything away. Do you see that lift on my cheeks, honey? You don't even need a highlighter. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender just to set everything on the face. It will just take away all the excess product from your face, which is great, and that's what we want. We don't want to look cakey. And whatever comes on your sponge, go ahead and spread it on your neck, cause you need to even out everything, you know what I mean? Then we're gonna take our translucent powder, set everything again one more time. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and set everything. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender one more time and pat it on so the powdery look will disappear. Now it's time for the eyes. And first, okay, so for my eyeshadow primer, I'm using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Make sure you don't poke yourself cause it hurts, honey. Now I'm taking the flat brush and just pat that on my eyelid. Okay, so today I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. So I'm taking Comfort Zone and I'm gonna use that on my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Thick Skin, which is the corner one, that one, and use that shade for my outer corner because it's a little bit darker shade, so it will give me a little bit of depth. Now I'm just gonna take the same brush, clean it on your hand, on the back of your hand. Then I'm gonna use this lighter shade just to blend out a little bit more on the top of my eye, which is, I'm gonna use that shade. Okay, now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer and take a little bit on the back of my hand. Because it's a light concealer, it will make the colors pop a lot. So I'm gonna take that. I'm taking my flat brush, which is foundation brush, dip it in a concealer, and I'm gonna cut the crease. Okay, so I want to highlight my inner corner, so I'm gonna take the concealer and just to highlight the inner corner, just like you highlight with the highlighter, but this time you're using the concealer. So now I'm using the Aurora Lights palette. Okay, so I'm gonna use ombre. So I'm gonna use the same brush. Now I'm gonna take the fluffy brush. It has nothing on it except the color we use it. I'm just gonna blend it out. Now I'm gonna take the small blending brush. It's a flat blending brush, and gonna take the shade Flashing and use it as a highlighter in a corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my pencil brush and I'm taking the Comfort Zone shade and gonna use that again just to blend out my crease. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and then blend everything away. So here I'm taking the home body and use it on the lower line. Okay, so now I'm taking my Tarte eyeliner and I'm gonna line the upper waterline and the bottom. I just want to let you know that I'm not gonna use the liner all the way. I'm not gonna drag the liner all the way inside my ear duct because I want to open out my eyes. So yeah, I'll just use it outer corner and then that's it. So I'm gonna take the liner brush and then just use the shade Temptress. It's the black shade. It's in the corner, that one, and then line my lower line with that. And I'm just gonna smoke it out. So I'm not taking all the way in. Okay, so I'm happy with my eyeshadow and everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the highlighter. So I'm using my handy dandy Maryloumanizer highlighter just to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm gonna take my fan brush. This is from PUR Cosmetics. Okay, so after highlighter, I'm gonna use the butter bronzer from Physician Formula, and I'm using the same brush which I use for eyeshadow because it's a multi-purpose brush anyways. So I'm gonna use that just to bronze my nose. I'm gonna use the same bronzer just to bronze my face. Now I'm gonna take my favorite Lancome blush and yeah, I'm gonna use that. I always get excited just to use this blusher because it's beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna take the blusher and blush my face with the same brush which we used for bronzer. So whatever you use on your face, extra stuff goes on your neck. That's what I do all the time. Now I'm gonna take my eyebrow thingy-majingy and gonna do my eyebrows. So this is the liner from Milani and I'm using the shade True Red, and this shade is amazing. You can just use it as it is. I'm just gonna take the lip liner and line my lips and fill it in. So now I'm using the Balm liquid lipstick in the shade Devoted, and this shade is everything and I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my all-nighter setting spray and then spray that all over my face just to set everything. I'm going to take the eyelash curler and just curl my eyelashes. And I'm going to use my Clinique mascara. And last but not the least, I'm going to use this eyelashes, which is magnetic eyelashes. I never tried it, so I'm so excited. So I'll put this on and I'll be back.
Okay, so I am done with my look and I just cut on some lashes and I use the same liner which comes with magnetic lashes. And yeah, that's it.
Please like, share and subscribe for more of this look, face. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.